going to show you how to tie-dye. It's Jessalyn Grace, and welcome back to my series, Jessalyns Creative Corner. Today I'm going to share with you how you can turn an old white t-shirt into a tie-dye shirt. It's gonna get a little bit messy though, so make sure you ask for your parents' help. Alright, let's get started. For today's video, you will need white t-shirts, plastic bags, and of course, your tie-dye kit. Some other items that you will need already comes in your tie-dye kit, but in case it doesn't, then you can find them around your house. And they are a surface cover. If you don't have one, then you can use a plastic one just to protect your surface area and your table, wherever you're tie-dyeing basically. Rubber bands and gloves. Let me just take this out so I can get ready to tie-dye. You will see why we'll need rubber bands for this later on in the video. Just keep on watching. Alright, let's start off by protecting our surface area right here. So I'm just going to lay this out. There we go, it's perfect. It's really big as you can see, so that way the dye won't get on your table and stain it. Alright, I have my t-shirt right here, so the next step is to wet the t-shirt and make sure that it's damp before dyeing it. Now that the shirt is damp, just lay it across your work surface like this. Since we're going to do a spiral pattern, I'm going to show you how to get that spiral. So at the center of your t-shirt, you're going to slightly pinch it like this, and then you're going to turn it, that way it gathers. And you can turn it in any direction, I'm just turning it clockwise. And then you're just going to spin it some more, like this. And once it looks something like this, that's when you're going to take your rubber bands, and you're just going to slide it across. I've picked out my colors, it's a rainbow. Now we are going to fill the dye bottles with water, starting off with red. Like that, and then screw the cap back on. Make sure to shake it up to get it all blended. Last bottle to fill up. Once you're finished, you're going to take your plastic bag and then put it in, like that. Once it's inside, you can leave it outside to dry for 6 to 8 hours. Laying out my shirt here, and then you're going to crumple it, like this. You're basically scrunching it up. There isn't a specific way to do it. There we go. And you don't have to use rubber bands, which is great. It's really easy and simple. Our next step is to add the dye. It's okay if it isn't fully saturated. You want to leave those white splotches. Alright. And then you can flip it and repeat. Be really careful when you're flipping it. Once you're done with your dye, take your plastic bag and just put it in. And same thing with our last shirt, just keep it outside for 6 to 8 hours. Alright, it's been 6 to 8 hours. Now we're going to take them out of the bag, rinse them to get rid of the excess dye, and then put them in the washer. You want to make sure that you take out the rubber bands, and then you are going to rinse it. Okay guys, I'm back and I just took these out of the dryer. Don't they look so cool? Again, this is a great way to turn one of your old white t-shirts into something really cool. I'm going to try both of these on for you. Here's the spiral design in the back. And here's the second one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you try out these tie-dye t-shirts, then let us know by using the hashtag LiveJustice. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any other videos from Justice and my next Jessalyns Creative Corner episode. Turn on post notifications so you won't miss any videos from Justice, and I will see you guys later. Bye!